Good morning, dear students. And last topic I have completed cancellation and subtraction pressure, and now I will discuss about unit of pressure. Unit of pressure. In the SI system, force is measured in Newton and area in meter square. In the SI system, force is measured in Newton and area in meter square. You can see here meter square. Therefore, the unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. Newton per meter square. However, Newton per meter square is called the Pascal in honor of the French physicist Blaise Pascal 1623 to 1662. Thus, when a force of 1 Newton acts perpendicularly on an area of 1 meter square, the pressure acting on the surface is 1 Pascal. The pressure acting on the surface is 1 Pascal. Now, examples of pressure. Before we discuss everyday examples of pressure, let us take the following illustrations. Imagine a girl of mass 50 kg standing on pencil heels. You can see in the diagram a girl of mass 50 kg is standing on pencil heels, each of area of cross section of 1 centimeter square, and an elephant of mass 2000 kilogram and foot area of 250 centimeter square is standing on floor. Let us try to find pressure exerted by each of them, assuming acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second square. Mass of the girl is 50 kg. Mass of the girl is 50 kg. Force exerted by the girl 50 kg into 10 meter per second square, that is the 500 Newton. That is the 500 Newton. Area of cross section of 2 is 2 into 1 centimeter square is equal to 2 centimeter square. Area of cross section of 2 is 2 into 1 centimeter square. Because cross section is the 1 centimeter square. So 2 into 1 centimeter square is equal to 2 centimeter square, and that is the 2 by 10,000 meter square. So pressure exerted by the girl is equal to F by A. Pressure exerted by the girl is equal to F by A. So 500 Newton into 10,000 by 2 centimeter square is equal to 25 lakhs Pascal. So for elephant, mass of the elephant is 2000 kilogram. Force exerted by the elephant 2000 kilogram, 10 meter per second square, so 20,000 Newton. Area of cross section of 4 feet of elephant, 4 into 250 centimeter. This is the cross section was 4 feet of elephant, so 250 centimeter square is equal to 1000 centimeter square. So 1000 by 10,000, 1 by 10 meter square. So pressure exerted by the elephant is equal to F by A. So 20,000 Newton is into 10 by 1 meter square. So 2 lakhs Pascal. From the above illustration, it is clear that elephant is exerting less pressure than the girl. In fact, elephant is exerting 12.5 times less pressure than the girl. It is because the area of the pencil heel is too small. Because the area of the this elephant exerted less pressure in comparison to girl, because the area of the pencil heel is too small. Area of the pencil heel is too small. Example of the pressure exerted by solids.